doesn't matter. Get the fuck out of the way. You see this? You're right here. See that? You see this? Do you know how to read, lady? It says right turn, right lane only. The right turn has to stay in the right lane. You can't cross over the solid white line, but I got you on camera with your license plate. You turned into my lane over a white line. You see a solid white line? It's like a yellow line. A solid white line. Learn how to drive. Fucking cunt. Fucking people.